case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2006, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit heard the case San Luis Obispo Mothers for Peace versus Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC. The case centered on the NRC's compliance with NEPA, AEA, and APA regulations when assessing the potential environmental impact of a nuclear waste storage facility and possible terrorist threats. Pacific Gas and Electric Company had applied for a license to build a spent fuel storage installation at Diablo Canyon Power Plant, which the NRC approved. However, the San Luis Obispo Mothers for Peace group argued that the NRC had failed to properly assess the risk of a terrorist attack on the installation and did not consider worst-case scenarios. The court had to determine whether the environmental consequences of a potential terrorist attack on a nuclear facility needed to be considered. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of the NRC, denying the need for a hearing but also stating that the NRC must consider worst-case scenarios and all information presented. This decision ensures that the NRC takes a more thorough approach to assessing risks and their environmental impact. While the court found that the NRC's decision did not violate AEA or APA, it concluded that the NRC breached NEPA by not considering the worst-case scenario regarding a terrorist attack's environmental impact. The court instructed the NRC to reevaluate with all relevant information, as mandated by NEPA.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.